So at first open the AutoCAD, first set the limit, lower left corner 0, 0 and upper right corner 12, 9, Z enter, 8 enter. So first draw a rectangle 60, 90, sorry, 60, or then width 9, 12 and 9. So 18, 12, 30, 60 by 30. So choose line, first length is 60, then 30, then 60 and close. Then draw this portion. These two here to here distance is 9 and here to here distance is 9 and middle is 12. So offset distance 9, is and is. Choose line, the ortho mode, and trim this line, this line, then draw this portion. This circle diameter is 30, so radius is 50, 15. So offset distance is 15. In circle, this circle is radius is 50, 15. Trim this portion, also this portion. Then draw region, choose all line or extrude. Then go to the AC isometric view and extrude is extrude height is 9. Again choose a circle whose distance is 50, whose radius is 15. Then is then offset 18. Select trim this portion and this portion trim. Then line, enter, enter. Then draw region, select this line, this arc and this line, enter. Then extrude, select this portion, enter, and extrude distance is this is 30 and this is 9. So these two, this distance is 21. Then union, Select this portion and this portion. Enter. Then create this hole which radius is 7.5. So select a circle which radius is 7.5. Then extrude. Select this circle. Then subtract. Select this. Enter. And then this. Enter. Then create this structure which extrude distance is 7, this to this distance is 21, and here to here distance is so this to this 15 and this to this is 18. So 15 and 18 33 and no 62 27. So choose line, this is 21, this is 27, then ortho mode off and click descent point, enter. Then draw region, click enter, extrude, next to distance is 7. Then select this figure, move, enter, click the base point of the ortho mode and click this midpoint. Then union this portion and this portion, enter. So complete this figure. So complete this figure.